Yardi Genesis is one of the most widely used property management software solutions in the real estate industry. But before you decide whether it's the right fit for your business, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll also compare it with other competitors so you can make an informed decision. First off, Yardi Genesis is a powerful platform designed for property managers who need a comprehensive solution. It allows you to manage accounting, leasing, and maintenance all in one place. Compared to competitors like AppFolio or Buildium, Yardi Genesis is better suited for larger property portfolios due to its scalability and depth of features. Next thing to note, pricing. Yardi Genesis isn't cheap. While its pricing is typically customized, it's generally considered more expensive than its competitors, like Rentec Direct. That said, the high cost often reflects the extensive features available, which we'll get into shortly. The third thing is its user interface. Yardi Genesis is packed with tools, but its interface isn't the most intuitive, especially for users who are new to property management software. In contrast, AppFolio is known for being user-friendly, making it a good option for smaller property managers who prioritize simplicity. Next, let's talk about the software's integration capabilities. Yardi Genesis has a wide range of integrations, especially with other Yardi products. This makes it perfect for larger organizations that need more complex, customized workflows. On the other hand, smaller businesses may find that these integrations add unnecessary complexity. The fifth thing you need to know is its mobile functionality. Yardi Genesis offers a mobile app for property managers, but it's not as robust or easy to use as apps from competitors like AppFolio, which is optimized for mobile-first management. If you're managing properties on the go, you might find Yardi Genesis a bit lacking here. Next, let's talk about customer support. Yardi's customer support is decent, but it's not as highly rated as support from companies like Buildium or Rentec Direct, which have consistently high marks for responsiveness and assistance. Depending on the size and complexity of your business, this could be a significant factor in your decision. The seventh point to consider is scalability. Yardi Genesis excels in this department. It's designed to handle large and growing property management businesses, making it ideal for firms managing hundreds or thousands of units. In contrast, solutions like Tenant Cloud are better suited for smaller scale operations. Next, let's discuss reporting and analytics. Yardi Genesis offers a wealth of reporting features that are very detailed, which can be great for large businesses that need in-depth insights. However, these reports can be overwhelming, and the learning curve is steep. Competitors like Buildium offer simpler, more straightforward reporting options. The ninth thing you should know is that Yardi Genesis comes with robust accounting features, including full general ledger support and budget management. However, if you're a smaller business looking for simple accounting, you might find these features too complex compared to the easier-to-use tools of competitors like Rentec Direct. Moving on, Yardi Genesis also offers a strong set of lease management features. It allows you to track leases, tenants, and renewal reminders seamlessly. However, it's important to note that this feature is more intricate than what you'll find with simpler systems like Cozy, which could be a better choice if you only need basic lease management. The 11th thing you need to know is that Yardi Genesis provides good support for maintenance management. You can track work orders, schedule repairs, and manage vendor relationships all in one system. But if you're managing just a few properties, you may not need all the bells and whistles Yardi provides. Tools like AppFolio offer simpler solutions with less complexity. Finally, while Yardi Genesis is a solid property management option, it's not the most budget-friendly choice, and the feature-rich nature of the platform can make it overwhelming for smaller businesses. It's a great tool if you need a comprehensive solution, but if you're looking for something simpler and more affordable, there are alternatives that might better suit your needs. In conclusion, Yardi Genesis is a good option for larger property management businesses that need a full suite of tools and can afford the price tag. But if you want a better, more